Hey, good morning Instagram, good morning Twitter, good morning YouTube. How's everybody feeling this morning? Today is the 22nd of February, and we're ready to rock and roll, baby. Ready to dive back in, see how we're looking today. I am gonna not gonna lie to you guys. I woke up a little late today. Um, Pretty unfortunate, honestly, because when I look back at my positions, or not positions, but when I look back at the kind of what happened earlier, we really missed a super easy sell position. Like very, very easy sell position. Could have took a sell position up here, been very, very profitable. Um, but no worries, you know what I'm saying? We're waiting for this next opportunity to present itself. The cool thing is, we got this candle potentially closing as a support. Could give us a good opportunity to get a buy. Um, we got pound yen over here just kind of not doing much. It's consolidated, we'll say that. But gold, though, we're looking pretty good with gold. Alright, let's take a look and see how this is looking. Hopefully we can hold that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta use the restroom though, so I'm finna be right back. We'll just kind of wait for a little bit, kind of see how this candle looks. We got 15 minutes. I will be back before this candle closes because I might want to take this buy position here. Hey, just want to let everybody know it's great seeing everybody. If anybody's tapping into the stream, boys, good seeing y'all. Feels good to be back on here, man. Alright, folks, we got 13 minutes. I will be right back. I use the restroom. Hey, Glacius, my boy, was cracking with you, man. It's good to see you, buddy. Good to see you, my boy. All right, so let's take a look. All right, wow. So 30-minute now is starting to close bearish. Take a look at our 4 hour. See how our 4 hour is going to end up closing because it could be very important to us. So 4 hour is actually closing within a range, which is actually quite interesting here. Take a look at it now. So with that being said, with high time frames, well, got a multitude of things that can happen here, really. You know what I'm saying? There's always going to be a wick, so we got to understand this could just push back down. Really like this 4 hour kind of to close above this resistance, you know? If it closes within this resistance, it's going to make our buy position real kind of strange, a little choppy. Um, Probably going to look to just keep an eye on this 4 hour. When there's about 2 minutes left, we'll switch back to the 30-minute and we'll kind of go between the 4 hour and the 30-minute because it's very key that this 4 hour closes for us bullish and above this resistance to take this buy position. Because in that sense, we can have a good chance to make a very profitable position today. We just exhausted a shit ton of to the downside. We started making a nice little retracement play here. This could be our opportunity, guys. So be on standby for that. Let's take a look at pound yen. So pound yen's trading quite bearish. Yo, hope y'all having a good morning. My boy, it's good to see you, Witty. What's cracking, my boy? Great to see you, man. Morning's going good so far, man. Just trying to be patient here. Trying to be patient, trying to take a look at maybe what we can get into. I'm not gonna lie. Sell position here don't sound terrible, but this consolidation does mean a lot, and someone that's taking sell position here is taking a good amount of risk on because we still have this over here as well that needs to break. I feel like this definitely has a factor to why we are consolidating so much here at this level. That being said, impulsive entries here could be pretty helpful here, honestly, especially breaking past. If we start trading below 162.70, I think GJ could make a nice free fall here today. Going back to gold, got about 3 minutes left. Oh yeah, going back to gold, looking really nice here. So nice that maybe a boy might want to get the parameter set. Get me parameters. Let's go to the there we go. How is that 15-minute looking though? 15-minute looking nice. So here's the thing, chat. Should I go with this 15-minute wick or should I go with this? Let's see. I think that's what I'm finna do. Go with the wick. Okay, I would say probably something like that. The 4 hours looking really nice, so I might take my chances here with having a stop loss on the 15-minute. Now I do know that this isn't always the best idea, but we can always take this chance, and I think that's what I'm going to do here today. And instead of going with the 30-minute, I'm going to actually keep my stop loss within the 15-minute. Trying to keep my 1-to-1 a little bit smaller so I can actually, take profit a little bit quicker here. I'm not really caring to have like a 50 pip stop loss and waiting around that long just to hit 50 pips. So I think I might take that risk on having my stop loss, keeping it by the 15-minute. Now, if this closes like way down here, then we're going with the 30-minute. Like if, for instance, price comes all the way back down, makes a nice big range wick for this 15-minute candle, and we close around 1837.24, If we close at 1837.24, then at that point I'm going to move my stop loss accordingly to the 30-minute time frame, which is going to definitely be below this wick. But until then, see how much time we got left. We got about a minute. Alright guys, pretty exciting stuff here. Pretty exciting stuff. Part of me wants to get a little risky today and twin trade. And I think I think honestly, chat, that's probably what we're gonna look to do here. I might go ahead and just try and twin trade this. I don't know if I want to either add positions or kind of what I'm trying to do right now. I think this position I'll wait for a candle close. If we go in a deeper retracement, I'll go ahead and probably open another position, but in a better entry, I guess you could say. Ooh, but got me a little, got me thinking. 10 seconds. All right. I'll take that. Alright, so I wanted to take that position there. 277. My apologies, ladies and gentlemen. Price 1838.67. 1838.67. $18.35.90. Something like that. 18.35.90. And then, yep, so 27 pips stop loss. So go ahead, we'll lock this up. Beautiful. Get our price, 27 pips. What the hell's my entry again? Entry is at 1838.67. 1838.67. Right there. It's 27 pips. Alright guys, so we're starting to jet quite heavy, but honestly I feel like this could be a nice wick. This could be a good liquidity wick. Part of me is relatively considering taking another buy position, but at the end of the day it has moved pretty violently, pretty quickly to the downside, so maybe my disregard. If this moved a little bit slower, kind of drawdown like around here, maybe I would take my buy position a little bit better, but I don't know. At this point, I think it moved down pretty quick, pretty violently, so I'd like to just see how this turns out. part of me does, because if I'm not mistaken, if that 4 hour closed bullish, then I am gonna take that risk. Save for sure. Save. Go to the 4 hour. Yeah, our 4 hour ended up closing bullish. So with that being said, I am gonna take that position. Except this position. So I am gonna enter 2 buy positions here. One of them is kind of in coordinates with the 30-minute, and the other one is in coordinates with the 15. Like to see how this position turns out for us. So my bottom one, I gotta pay attention for is 27. Both of them are 27, pretty much. Yeah, both of them are 27. Now, I will say, guys, in a moment like this, it takes a little bit of experience. I'm only taking these 2 positions because I am confident in them. I know in the heat of the moment, this looks like kind of like you'd probably be like, dude, what the fuck are you thinking? Like, why are you adding 2 positions in this point? But in a buy position, this is actually increasing my entry. Whenever it's actually going to drawdown like this, it's increasing my chance of the entry. If we can hold bullish trends, you know, we look to make higher highs and higher lows. So that being said, these lows will be respected. See how that goes though, right? The trade's still not over with yet. Got a long time to go. This candle has to start. I mean, this candle, in my opinion, has got to be bullish. This is just a this is just a liquidity wick. Nothing more, nothing less. And I feel like we're bound to make a pretty nice play to the top side, guys. Can't even lie to you guys. But obviously, if this goes against me, you know, we just gotta go with that. We gotta run with it, you know. So I do got this on all. I'm gonna change my symbols. So my 0.7 position is my most recent position, the one in drawdown. Oh, that's cool. It highlights it. Okay, cool. So, ladies and gentlemen, in a situation like this, I want to let everybody know that I have my positions currently focused on this position here, the one that is currently in drawdown. What I am relatively prepared to do at this point is if we start trading below and we start breaking these lows here, start getting, you know, close to the 1836 level, I'll probably look to just close full on that position so I can at least lose a little bit less than that 1.5% that I was anticipating on losing. But like I said, you know, that's only if we start trading below that zone. Up until then, we're looking pretty good, you know what I'm saying, at the moment. Honestly, I still feel pretty good about the position. You just got to remember that drawdown, guys, is always going to be a part of trading. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be really hard. I mean, as much as we strive for it, positions with almost no drawdown to them, you know, they happen, but they don't happen as often as you like. You know, maybe 6 times out of 10, you know what I'm saying? Maybe even less than that, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, you just got to, you know, just like there's times when we can have really small stop losses and times whenever it's just not possible with price action to have small stop losses, where it's required to have a pretty big stop loss. And just to let everybody know, just because you have a big stop loss doesn't mean you have a fixed lot size. That's got to be, I think that's got to get out of a lot of people's head is having fixed lot sizes. You know what I'm saying? Trying to have a fixed lot size. You can't have a fixed lot size. I don't think it's a smart idea. I think you should just go off your lot size depending on, you know, percents. The percents, your stop loss, and the whole 9 yards. That's why I gotta say, big shout out to Magic Keys. I'm not sponsored by them or nothing like that, but you know what I'm saying. I use their product, and just off a person that uses it, it's a great tool. Sorry guys, thought my forgot my mic was muted there, but doing the best I can to hold out until this 15-minute candle. There, we got really close. Had my finger on that close full. Any farther would have pushed down there. If it started breaking past this wick here, oh, I would have had a close full. But thank God we started trading a little bit above that. I really got faith in this 15 minutes to try and kind of recreate what's going on with this bearish candle. I got a good feeling about it. You know what I'm saying? I do understand. We gonna be alright. Yeah, nah, dude. I feel you there, man. It's just that 4-hour confluence is what really made me want to take this buy position and the 30-minute. The 30-minute and the 4-hour was in the same confluence. Wanted to make sure I take that buy position. It looked so good. I actually entered a twin trade on it. So I'm trying to increase my skills here. But we are dealing with some drawdown here, so I'm kind of considering both things right now. Holding as best as I can up until this 15-minute. I feel like this 8:15 candle here, or this next 15-minute. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's time is different, but this next 15-minute candle here is going to be very, very, very helpful for us. I feel like, especially, I mean, this is just natural. We're going to have a pretty deep pullback. You know what I'm saying? Especially when it comes down to 4-hour time frames. You know what I'm saying? The higher time frames are gonna have much bigger draw, like what's the word? Pullbacks, I guess you want to say. And being on the lower time frames, this is gonna come out to be some pretty fat looking candles at times. We got a minute, boy. Let's see how this go on this 15-minute. It's pretty nasty 15-minute, boy, but I tell you what, that 4 hour gonna come and save our asses. I feel it. I just feel it in my bones, boy. I just feel it in my bones. That 4 hours gonna come through clutch. Alright, there we go. So at least, I'm saying, we'll see, though. Because that's one hell of a bearish candle there. Can this 15 minutes save my ass? There we go, little 15. We'll see what you got in you, buddy. He's a little guy, but he's going somewhere. He's a little guy, but he's coming up. He's coming up. Don't worry about him. He's coming. Don't worry about that little guy now. Don't worry about him. Come on now. Come on now, little guy. I know you would have pushed back up to the entry though. You know what I'm saying? He got a lot of pressure on him. He got a lot of weight on his shoulders, but the little guy, he's really trying to push for me. He's like, yeah. He's getting hype. He's getting hype. He's in there pushing. He's pushing through right now. He's got all this weight on his shoulder. They trying to push him down. They're like, nah, Brody. Nah, Brody. They trying to push him down this 15 minutes. Like, nah, fuck y'all, man. NGC's on the stream. We can't let him. He's trying to rip through. Look, they're trying to push him down. He's trying to rip through it. He's trying to push it. Look, he gonna give a little butt head. He's gonna sit there trying to push it. Oh, look, he's getting pushed down. He's they're shitting on him, man. They're shitting on him. He's trying to come back up for me, though. He's trying to come. Look, yeah, he's trying to come up for me. No, I can't. Look. Yeah, here he goes. There he goes. He's fighting for me. He's fighting for me. Come on, little 15. You got it, baby. Little 15. Come on, little 15. That's so funny. Yeah, folks, but I will say though, if we start trading below 1836.48, woo boy, we're gonna have to start thinking about closing full so we can lose a little bit less than that 1.5%. You know what I'm saying? That's the idea. We can try and lose maybe 1.4. That'd be helpful. That'd be a dub in my eyes. In the situation we are in. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, not the idea. We want to stick to consistency and making good profitable trades, right? But when you take a loss, man, what can you do to reduce that loss? It's the best we can do at that point. Ooh, what'd I say? We're trading below. We gotta be careful here. My little 15-minute boy, he getting shit on right now. Got that finger right there, boy. I'm ready to go. Not looking good for us, ladies and gentlemen. Not looking good. Come on, let's talk about 15, man. Yeah. Alright, let's all talk about. You know what I'm saying? Fuck the haters, man. Oh, you getting pushed back down. They're talking shit on him. They're talking wet on him. This little 15-minute candor boy, he like Rudy. Rudy. Oh, shit. That little 15-minute candor, he like Rudy. Come on, Rudy. I'd be really impressed if these 15-minute lows can actually hold pretty strong. That would be pretty lit. Like if it starts trading below, above and starts to give me a profitable position, it'd be pretty impressive. I'd be like, wow, that's the power of those lows for sure. And I feel pretty good with that stop loss, to be honest. I just feel like, we just gotta start. We gotta start flipping this train here. It don't look too good for us right now. I would like to see what it look like on the 4 hour. Yeah, it's very interesting, right? So, for some reason, it's like closed bearish on my trading view. Or, not my trading view, but my... What? So, on my MetaTrader, it's like this 4 hour closed bearish. Which doesn't make sense to me, because on trading view, it doesn't show that. Huh. That's kind of got me confused. I don't understand how that works. Oh, well, I guess we're just going to have to go back with this, just chill with this, man. Can't lie though, folks. Damn. Would be the one that I make a twin trade where we're really dealing with some drawdown here, boy. I mean, this is one hell of a stream here. This is testing the boy. This is good though. That's what I want, man. That's what I want to show my viewers, man. What it takes. What do you got to do when you're in drawdown like this? You know what I'm saying? So everything's good. Feel great about it. You know what I'm saying? And my boy Rudy, he just coming through. That's my boy Rudy. You know what I'm saying? He's coming through. Oh shit, they talking shit on him. They're talking wet on him. They're roasting him in the locker room. He getting puny. Oh, he's puny again. Come on, Rudy. Damn. Yo, so that's kind of weird though. So on my broker here on Dominion Markets, they got it the 4 hour printed bearish, but on my trading view, which is like the stockbroker for that shit, or Forex broker is like Onda or some shit like that, they got it printing where that bitch bullish. So, woo, it's got me fucked up in my analysis a little bit, cause now I'm kind of confused. But fuck it, I'm gonna rock with Onda. You know what I'm saying? That's what I was rocking with at first. You know what I'm saying? I didn't really look at the Dominion Markets charts here. But yeah, very weird. Very strange that it would be bearish on this. Yeah, it's very weird. Very strange. Yeah, I mean, brokers and trading view charts differs from brokers to brokers. Oh yeah, of course. But yeah, I knew that. I just didn't expect it to be now. That's kind of like what I was kind of explaining. Like, I definitely understand that happens, but like for the moment, like the coincidence moment of me being in two positions, the time I like, so I'm sure you know, buddy, Glacius, you see me trade quite a bit. I like to be pretty particular in my positions I take. You know what I'm saying? I only take 1 to 2 trades every day. So those 1 to 2 trades, I try and spread them out. You know what I'm saying? So if I take a loss early, maybe like a 7 o'clock New York session open candle, I take a loss there. It gives me room for another trade setup potentially during NYSE. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of how I like to set myself up. But today, boy, I just wanted to risk the full 3%. Damn. You know what I'm saying? Didn't want to deal with this type of drawdown. You feel me? But it's okay. You know what I'm saying? It's part of how it's got to be. And honestly, just yeah, you know, we're just going to have to really see how this goes. But taking a look at that, the 4 hour differing from, you know, trading views 4 hour, definitely, you know, maybe I would have took if Dominion markets were like marked up the same, I might have not have taken this position, or if I did take the position, probably would only be one position if the charts were the same as Dominion markets. But unfortunately, they were a little different. Oh yeah, this is wild. This shit wild. Yeah, and I can't even lie to y'all. Managing risk, it is that if you got to focus on. Yep, that's exactly what it's kind of come down to at this point. So I'm pretty much ready to go. We haven't done much trading in profits at all, so I had no chance to even move my stop loss and trail it. So, you know, at this point, guys, with this position I got here, I think we start trading pretty close to that. My stop loss, I'll just manually close full. You know what I'm saying? It probably maybe 1.4, even 1.45, like super close to a 1.5% loss. But as long as I can manage it smaller than that, it's the goal. It's the goal. But I don't want to sell myself short though, because I still have confidence in this position. It's obviously growing more and more. It's like my confidence is diminishing by the minute as we're seeing these candles print bearish, but still got that confidence. But wow, though, when I change that 4 hour though on here though, it really just makes it like, yeah, it's kind of a no-brainer. Like, I don't know. See, like, there's no problem. This is probably just a liquidity wick, and then boom, that bitch is gonna just come up. We got 3 hours though. You know, it's a long time for this 4 hour to maybe even make that flip. So, can I even survive technically up until that? You know, can my positions that I have, you know, last that long, right? Could be a long stream today, guys. Could be a really long stream. I could be managing these positions for quite some time. Let me turn this music down. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, wow. Wow. Rudy. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Every time I say that nigga just gets shit on. Every time I say Rudy, he goes back bearish. Come on, Rudy. Hey, this is the name of this 15-minute. His name Rudy. That's what it is. Hey, Rudy's trying to come back. I just realized it's 2 minutes left. Come on, Rudy. Come on. Rudy. Hold it for the 2 minutes, my guy. Oh shit! Come on, Rudy. Come on. Rudy, you mean the most, baby? Come on. If y'all ain't never seen that, man, y'all need to go watch that movie, Rudy. My Americans, you'll know. Anybody that's maybe in the Europe or anywhere else in the world, not the United States, you might not know what I'm talking about. But my boy Rudy, he's coming in clutch. Hey, Rudy, 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 come on, Rudy. Come on, Rudy. Hey, I swear to God, that 15-minute candle, boy. Come on, Rudy. Don't do me like this, Rudy. Not this last minute. Don't do me like this, Rudy. Come on. Hold bullish, baby. Hold bullish. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, there you go, Rudy. You gotta just hype him up. Come on, Rudy. Come on, Rudy. Don't do me like this, Rudy. You scared me jumping up so much. Yes. All right. It's cool. All right, but this is NYC. NYC might not give a fuck about this 15-minute candle, so that could just be that too. So let's just be ready to close full just in case this candle says fuck you. Woo, this candle's looking like saying fuck you. So all right, we're just ready. We're ready for the close just in case. Hey, NYSE's pumping right now, guys. Whoa. Hey, NYSE want to do something. Hey, shout out to Rudy though. Shout out to Rudy. That's my boy right here. Hey, if this if this position wins, it's all to my boy Rudy. I swear to God, Rudy was the man, bro. It's my boy Rudy. Oh shit. Hey, and if this candle straight fucks me, hey, it's not even on my boy Rudy, bro. That's just straight NYSE. Ooh, ooh, yeah, we're just gonna close that one. I didn't like that. That was coming down violent shit. We closed that. I'm cool with that. Now we got to focus on this next position. Whoa. Hey, that was coming close, brothers. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, NYC's looking nasty. I might even just close this one. Ooh, shit. Alright, I'll hold this one, but boy, this is crazy. Cool thing I cut my loss short. We'd have been stopped out full. So, actually pretty happy with how I managed that. But damn, this is moving like crazy. Pretty interesting day. Pretty cool day for trade risk management showcasing. Honestly, not a bad day for it. We've been dealing with some crazy drawdown, but this stream's been going great, to be honest. I mean, this is feeling damn good. And if this position can go profitable for us, oh man, this is man. I'm gonna post this motherfucker to make sure the whole world see it. You know what I'm saying? This is what it looked like to be. You know what I'm saying? Dealing with drawdown, what you got to do, how you got to manage certain positions. Cause yeah, I would have been stopped out full, which would have sucked. And not to mention, if this does go profitable for us, ladies and gentlemen, what's gonna help us out a lot here is that we closed before my 1.5%. So if we end up hitting this as 1.5%, then we're staying profitable as traders. You know. So really looking to see if this candle just keeps pushing. Cause wow, that was crazy though for a second. Guys, this is dope. I mean, prices moving, prices looking. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Really, there's no downside to this. I mean, yeah, the downside is I'm hurting my consistency if I do lose this position, but like understanding that I can easily just hit close full and we lose less than 1.5% really is like not a big deal. You know what I'm saying? There's always tomorrow. Not even tripping. It's like, I don't know, I've got myself in such a good groove at this point where I'm just like, dude, it's a matter of time. You know what I'm saying? It's developed these good habits, and boy, I'm telling you, the success is just gonna just start reaping. I just feel it in my bones. I just gotta keep this shit up. And I feel it in my bones for my community that I'm trying to build as well. That they're gonna become professional traders as well. You know, I want all of us to become professional traders. I want to see everybody in that Discord that I have in my Discord to become professional traders. You know what I'm saying? So if I can develop everybody into professional traders by showcasing what I do on YouTube, I think that'd be great. That'd be really awesome to do. And then to take a nasty cool trip, boy, we get super lit. Yeah, that'd be dope too. The NGC extravaganza. I've never felt so good 3 pips up. So that 15 minutes. So if we go back and think about it, I remember I took that entry off that 15 minute. That 15 minute. Those 30-minute candles, they're stronger resistance for a reason, man. They definitely hold a little bit better. That 15 minute, if the right price action or anything like that, maybe we could have. I mean, it did feel like the right price action, but at the same time, you know what I'm saying? Price gonna do what's gonna do. So start trading against us. You know what you gonna do? You know what I'm saying? That just came for us. Hold on, let me turn the music up a little bit. There's like a certain point it was just too loud though. I feel like I was like having to talk super loud. Oh, I needed to sneeze and I couldn't get it out of me. I tried to look at the light. Hey, Rudy wasn't no punk though. Yeah. Hey, Rudy. My boy Rudy did his thing. I can't be mad at him. You know what I'm saying? For real, for real. Can't even be mad at him. You know what I'm saying? NYC's going kind of crazy. You might ask why wouldn't I just maybe close in a moment like this where I'm relatively in profits if it's kind of seeming like a losing position. But at the end of the day, I still got some confidence in it. I know I could do it. It's definitely crossed my mind. It's kind of like, we can come back tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? We reduce risk on that last position, and this position would make us really not lose shit. So it'd be only pretty much like we took one position for the day. But God, with how volatile this New York NYSE has been, I mean, we can tell by this candle, it's got some volume to it. I mean, it's been jumping around like crazy. So I feel like there's this, I don't know, I feel like we could get relatively, lucky and hit some profitable positions. We could hit 27 pips quicker than you think. You know what I'm saying? This candle could just go, boom, 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 and go up 27 pips. Boom, we hit our little 1-to-1 shit. Then we cool. You know what I'm saying? We at least profited something for that day. You know what I'm saying? Um, I'd rather at least do that than sell myself short and then like you know what I'm saying cut the loss right here and then it goes up 27 pips and be like wow I could have just held it in XYZ. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather let the analysis play out. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm gonna learn that more that way. You know what I'm saying? If I just play it safe all the way 100% too much, I'm already playing it safe. You gotta remember you're already playing it safe if you already understand that the stop loss 1.5%. I mean I already know that's a 1.5% loss, so I'm already playing it safe. You know what I'm saying? All I gotta do is hit close full and then we're playing it safe. But if we're starting to go in profits, you know what I'm saying? Shit, might as well see where it can take us. I'll start managing risk more if we can go maybe since it's 27 pips, if we're like 14 pips up. Like 14 pips up, 13 pips up. Maybe I'll start trailing my stop loss so then I can start making, reducing that risk. You know what I'm saying? But until then, I'm just gonna keep everything the same with how it is right now. It's just kind of kind of shitty, right? You know what I'm saying? We've been up in profits. I can't say we've been up in like a lot of profits. You know what I'm saying? We've been maybe up 6 pips the most, maybe 6, 7 pips. But being up 6, 7 pips, uh, you know what I'm saying? It'll make you feel kind of good, but it's just a matter of going between 5 pips drawdown, 5 pips profits. It's been back and forth, and can be mentally kind of tiring a little bit. It's like wow, you're just kind of sick of it already. You're kind of just done with it. Here it comes. It's telling me right now. Say, are you sick of it? Here it comes, buddy. that's a, that's what Price telling me right now. He's like, all right, you sick of it, buddy? We gonna take you out. Take out your misery. Yeah, I'd say if it starts getting like if it starts trading below 1835.45, yeah, guys, we'll probably just close full. I'm kind of getting near that point to just close full. Still trying to give it that chance, 1835.45. Just like, yeah, we're getting too close to that stop loss where it could be like a simple push down where it just does one of those little glitchy moves down, and yep, that's gonna be the whole stop loss. So, want to make sure I'm doing the best I can with risk management. Here it comes, here it comes, it's coming. It's closing. Ooh, boy, we closed it right before it too. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so pretty unfortunate there, right? Not the best. We're able to relatively do okay. Not the best though. We lost like a little bit below, right? Not the greatest though. That's just how it be though, right? That's how it be sometimes. And unfortunately today when I did take my fucking twin trades, man, bit us in the ass. Bit us in the ass. I will be updating this on my Discord. So I got one of my positions up. I definitely took 2 positions, so I gotta put my next position down as well. This is how I feel right now. This song. Let's have the bottom lips tucked. Stupid. Yeah, damn though. That support did not want to hold. With so much consolidation, I was really confident. Really confident. So confident I twin traded. But hey, is what it is, right? Well, is what it is. We'll be back tomorrow, man. Rudy wasn't a punk though. Don't forget that. He wasn't a punk. He gave us opportunities to maybe even lose way less. But it is what it is. It is what it is, man. But ain't no worries though. For the month, I mean, we're can't say we're most profitable at the moment, right? We're a little bit down for the month. A little bit though. It's a couple trades back. We're back profitable, right? But we don't want to be sitting here being break-even traders. Hey, Glacius, thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate you tapping in, man. Hope you learned something today, and we'll be back tomorrow to get some profitable positions, buddy. My apologies again. I was really confident in this position. It just didn't turn out the way we wanted it to be, but that's just how trading's going to go sometimes. But, hey, we're back here tomorrow. As long as we can focus on reducing that risk, hey, we're going to be having trades for tomorrow and then on. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, buddy. Everybody, take it easy, man. Witty Wicks, my boy, good seeing you. Paul, yes, sir. Hope you're able to manage, you know what I'm saying? Manage that risk. I know you was in that same buy position, so I hope you managed the best you could. And shit, man, it's always tomorrow, baby. Everybody take it easy. Peace.